Hello friends, welcome to Virtual Happy Hour, Formal Friday, Good Friday edition. As you can see, I've decided to wear florals for spring. Groundbreaking, in the words of Miranda Priestley. This is a full floral jumpsuit with a completely open back. I have owned it for several years and I've never once worn it. It's a lot of look, but you know, now that I'm an Instagram television star, what better moment to go all out, and with matching floral earrings to boot. Today we are going to be marking the occasion of Easter or Passover, if that's what you're celebrating, with the massacre of this chocolate bunny. That's right, we're going to sacrifice this chocolate bunny in the name of cocktails, and we're going to be making a very tropical rum cocktail today with pineapple juice, lemon juice, and orange juice. I've got my brown sugar syrup. If you have angostura bitters, use that, or any aromatic bitters. I'm using cardamom bitters because that's going to play really nicely. The spiciness, the baking spice of the cardamom is going to complement the citrus in the other juices. And then I'm of course using Appleton Estate Jamaican style rum. This is a Tiki style drink that we're making, hence the ridiculous vessel. Chocolate bunny. What shall we name you? What shall we name this chocolate bunny? Thumper doesn't seem very original. I'm gonna mull it over and come up with a name by the end of this. We're gonna need our shaker and our citrus juicer today in terms of tools. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna grab some ice because I forgot that from the freezer. The all-important ice. We're making a drink that I would otherwise serve in a coupe glass because I don't think any ice is going to fit in this little body because this is not a very chubby chocolate bunny. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of rum. I also have no idea what the capacity of that bunny is, so you know, this may be an ambitious amount of alcohol to fit inside of it in juice, but we're gonna find out in a second. I have this what's it called? Funnel. That's the name of it. To help get it into the bunny, and hopefully we don't have any structural breakage when I cut the ears off the bunny in a moment, because that would be bad. So we're gonna use half an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice, or whatever orange juice you have in your fridge. And if you don't have pineapple juice, don't stress. If you have pomegranate juice, that would be a good substitute for pineapple, still giving you that kind of tropical component. So that is, how much do we have here? Not quite enough, we need a bit more. And I'm using a mandarin orange, so it has an extra kind of tropical component. And we're gonna use half an ounce of lemon juice. And then half an ounce of pineapple juice. Just using all the juice. Is it going to fit in the bunny? Only time will tell. Happy to take odds on it now, though. Do you think this content of the drink will fit in the bunny? Let me know. Respond to the question below. Half an ounce of pineapple juice. And then half an ounce of our brown sugar syrup, and 1 dash of bitters. Again, I am using cardamom bitters. Again, I like the brown sugar syrup with rum and even with bourbon because it has that molasses flavor that goes really nicely with the rum and the sweeter corn mash of bourbon. So I'm going to shake that in a second, but let us massacre the bunny and cut off its ears. Perfect. This looks like it's like plenty of capacity in there. All right, let's put some ice and shake this up. I don't know if any of you, I know several of you obviously, followed me back around this time last year. I had a bit of a ghost incident where I was sleeping and then all of a sudden my TV came on at full blast and I had been watching old episodes of Game of Thrones like Arya's best episodes, because obviously that's my favorite character. And my TV turned on at like 3 in the morning, and I live alone and there was no one else here, and it was like fucking blaring Game of Thrones. So let's see here. We're gonna stuff this little bunny. If it overflows. Oh, we're full. Pretty much got all of it in there though. And now we're gonna give it its ears back in the shape of this mint. And then I need a straw, as usual. And I have a nice floral straw to go with my floral outfit. So the TV came on in the middle of the night. No one was here. I was terrified. I got up, I just figured I was bad at technology and that it was my fault. And then I turned it off and went back to sleep. Definitely spooked though, but then and I also turned the volume down to 0 on the TV. And then 20 minutes later, I saw this light coming from the living room, and I realized the TV has turned itself on a second time. So at that point, it's not technology. At that point, I was like clearly haunted, but we've been in isolation for 4 weeks now, and I'm so lonely that I'm ready for that ghost to come back. You know, come back into my life. If you could be in the form of Patrick Swayze, I love the movie Ghost, that would be even better. I'll take up pottery for you. Just tell me what I need to do. Let's see how we did. How fucking cute is it? How cute is it? That is a delicious little treat, and now you get to eat the ears. Happy Easter. See you tomorrow.